What's up, Juggalos? This is Yakima Juggalo coming at you. Now, this didn't necessarily show up in my mailbox, but my brother in law and his wife, before COVID hit, my brother in law and wife ordered 4 VIPs for the Tech 9 tour that got canceled due to COVID. Well, this is my wife and I's VIP package. Now, if you've ever wondered, well, $175 is a lot of money, and shipping, and you question, is it really worth it? Look at this backpack. There's two of them, like I said, two of each product in this. Look at this. I took the towel out already. Strange music bag. How cool is that? But so there's, like I said, there's two of each product in here for VIPs. This right here is a strange music beach towel. How cool and fresh is that? Came with the VIP package. Now, I'm kind of ignorant when it comes to these things. I'll admit that. There's I don't know, some kind of metal, strange music metal tin thing. Like I said, I'll admit I'm ignorant to that. I don't know what that's for. There it is right here. Tech 9's Enterfear Tour 2020. This was the tour where Rich was going to be on. Well, first it was Jelly Roll, then Rich. Jelly Roll had some health issues and he had to cancel, so they replaced him with Rich, bitch. Now this is so you could have Tech 9 autograph it. Very cool. This right here is strange music. I'm so sorry for all the noise. I know it sounds very loud and annoying in videos. I don't like noise either. So my apologies. This right here is the silicone ice ball molds. Strange music ice cubes. So how cool is that? You put that there. Can't really. There you go. This is when you create the ice balls. It comes out with the snake and bat on them. How cool is that? So you put your water in there. Put this on top. Set it in your freezer. It freezes, turns it into a ball, and voila, you got strange music. Ice balls. King ISO World War Me. Came out 8 months ago. Mackenzie Nicole's Mystic. Got that little where you can find her on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Stream her album now. Came out 9 months ago, 10 months ago, 10 months ago. Now look at this. Strange music wireless speaker. How cool is that? There's your auxiliary jack right there. Your power cord. again, sorry for all the noise. I know it's annoying. Plastic noise annoys me in videos. How cool is that? Strange music speaker. You can't beat that. I mean, again, all this, two of everything. This is the floor mat. Strange music floor mat. So he did it big on this VIP package. You got your ice mold. You got your painting with N9. You got your wireless speaker. The strange music tin. Of course, your VIP shirt. You got your towel. Now, here's the other thing I haven't shown you guys. Yes, you saw the backpack, but my wife opened this backpack up to look on the inside, and I gotta tell you, I was blown away. Look at this. The snake and bat symbol on all sides. Look at that, even right there. How crazy is that? Again, look. Look at this. The snake and bat. And then you got your cord right here. Your USB cord plug-in for a charger to charge your cell phone. Look, a little pocket for your cell phone. You got a little laptop pocket right there. How crazy is that? This is what came with the VIP. So you got a really bomb-ass backpack, a beach towel, the VIP shirt, the metal plaque, the strange music wireless speaker, the N9 to autograph, the ice ball molds, and the floor mat sits like a rug for your house. Now that's everything you get. Now tell me that isn't worth $175. This speaker alone, probably 70 bucks, 50 bucks. Ice ball mold, 15 bucks. So say this was 40, just to be 40. 15, that's 55. This is probably 25, so you're looking at 80 bucks. 10 bucks. There's 90. The shirts go for 30 now. 120. This beach towel is probably like 20. So you're looking at 150. This bag itself could go for 45 or 70. I would say 70. So right there, that's way more than $175. On top of that, you get to meet N9 and everyone on the tour, get their autographs, get a quick pic, get a shout out, get to say hello to them. So I hope you enjoyed this VIP unpackaging. Until next time, whoop whoop, much motherfucking clown love.